I'm going to show you guys how to set up a track your order page on your Shopify store with no Shopify apps, and it's 100% free. What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate all of you guys for coming back for yet another video. This is going to be a really quick tutorial on how you can set up a free track your order page on your Shopify store. It's 2022, and if you do not have this on your Shopify store, you're making a huge mistake because customers want to know, when their order is going to arrive to them. And they shouldn't have to contact your customer service team to be able to find that out. Also, you're going to be saving your customer service team a lot of time if you have this on your Shopify store. So that way they won't have to reach out and answer questions that could just be answered by simply just going on your website. So if you're excited for that, make sure you go ahead and drop a like. That lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content here on the channel. And also hit that subscribe button. We just hit 600 subscribers and we're on our way to 700 subscribers. I appreciate all the support that you guys have been showing me. You guys have been absolutely killing it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into my computer and get started. All right, you guys, so hopping right into my computer. Like I said, I don't want this to be, too long of a video. I don't want to waste up too much of your time. But anyways, this is the exact store that I used in my previous video. If you guys haven't checked out my previous video, it might be my most value-packed video I've ever dropped on my YouTube channel. It's 40 minutes of straight value. I literally walk you step by step on how to make a dropshipping store. I go through all the online store settings. I mean, this video is crazy. So if you want to check that out, I'm not sure what side it's going to be on, but all you have to do is click the link and it'll take you right to the video and you can check that out. So anyways, now I'm going to show you how to put a track your order page on your Shopify store completely 100% free. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the pinned comment in this video. I'm going to leave a link. So all you're gonna have to do is put in your name and your email, I believe, and that is it. I promise we don't share any of your information. We don't share your email. It's literally just to be added to my email list so that way you can stay up to date with things that I'm doing. I'm literally giving you guys this for free. You can completely trust me on this. I promise. So anyways, once you do that, it's gonna spit out this document. You can download it, save it, do whatever you want with it, save it for your references, whatever, right? So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna highlight this entire text. You're gonna copy it. Then you're gonna go back to your Shopify store, and the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to online store and you're gonna wanna go to pages because you're gonna need to make the page first before you do anything else, okay? So you're gonna wanna add the page, and then you're gonna wanna name it track your order, okay? And you're gonna wanna click this button right here, which is show HTML. This is where you're gonna be able to put the code in, okay? So you're gonna wanna paste that in there. And then you're gonna wanna scroll to the top of the code. And as you can see right here, it says, please enter your tracking number below. If your tracking number doesn't work, feel free to contact us at blah, 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 okay? So you're gonna wanna delete this part up to the period and put in your store's email address, whatever your customer service email is, okay? And then you're gonna wanna go ahead and click save. Now what you're gonna wanna do is go to navigation. Now you're gonna wanna add this to your navigation on your Shopify store so that way your customers can easily navigate to it. I'm not sure what's going on, why that's not working. But once this loads up, okay, here we go. Add menu item. And you're gonna wanna click on the link part, you're gonna wanna click on pages, and then you're gonna wanna click on the page that we just made, which was the track your order page. It's gonna update it right here in the name, and you're gonna wanna click add. Now you're gonna click save menu. Now the next thing you're gonna wanna do is add it to your footer menu as well. It's just good to have it in multiple places so that way it's easily accessible for your customers anywhere on your website, okay? So this is gonna add it to the very bottom of your website. So you're gonna wanna do the same thing. Add the menu item, go to link, go to pages, track your order. It's gonna put it right there, and you're gonna wanna click add. Now you're gonna wanna click save, and you're good to go. So as you can see, we are on the Shopify store from my previous video, and now we actually have a track your order button right here, which you can easily just click on, okay? And now you have a track your order page. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually take a tracking number from one of my other stores from a customer who purchased from me, and I'm gonna put that in this box just so you guys can see exactly how it's gonna work. But like I said, it's very basic, but it gets the job done, okay? So you're gonna click track, and now it's gonna bring up a spot where your customers can actually see where their package is. As you can see, here's the update for this specific tracking number. And there you go, okay? So this is completely 100% free. Now you can't customize this in any way. You can't add your logo or any of that stuff, but I mean, what else do you really need when you're first getting started, okay? But let's just say, for example, you wanted something a little bit more you know, a little bit more sophisticated, has more features, more customization options or anything like that, you could check out Aftership. I've used this company before. They basically allow the exact same thing. I don't know if you can see this, but it's pretty much like, you know, what we have on our store, but a lot more customized. Okay, so they got like pictures and 25% off gift card, like deals on here. Like, it looks really good. It also looks really good on mobile as well. So you can definitely check that out. That's how I would do it if I was personally doing this. But this is a great way for you to be able to do this for free. It gives you everything that you need. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, very quick tutorial. Check out the pinned comment if you want this Google Doc that shows you exactly how to do it or gives you the code to be able to do this. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I appreciate all the support. And as always, I'll see you guys next week.